SRMUN will be using a digital platform to manage and view a committee's work, track working papers and draft resolutions, maintain the speakers list, and post announcements. You can access this platform at www.srmunhub.org. The director and assistant directors for each committee are responsible for keeping the platform updated so conference attendees are aware of the committee's progress. In this platform, you can view information for each committee available, detailed information about a delegation your college or university is representing, all of the working papers in a committee along with their current status, draft resolutions that have been accepted by the dais, and all of the resolutions that have been voted on. If you have any other questions about how to use this platform, please make sure you visit our Help Center or email admin@srmun.org.